Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on notification in a Google Classroom. So here, let's open a Google Classroom in Chrome or any browser that you have. For easier access, you can install Google Chrome and sign in with your Google account. So in a start page or home page, there is a application icon at the top right corner. Here you can access all Google apps. One of the apps is Google Classroom. Let's open it. Again, please sign in. If you don't have an account, you can register. So please sign up. And here, in order to turn on notification, you can access settings. Here under the toolbar at the beside of your screen, there is a settings, and this is the notification. So here, in order to turn on, just click this slide, click this switch, and here we go. Allow email notification is on, and also comment on your post. You can turn it off or turn on, and comment that mention you, and private comments on work. And this is the class notification. These settings apply to both your email and device notification for each class. So please free to try turn on notification on Google Classroom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also contact button below. See you in the next video.